What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the THAI Lyfe Channel. My name is Min, and in this video I will be showing you how to do a marble design using blooming gel, and we're going to end it with some gold flakes around the tips and the cuticle areas. And of course, we always going to be sharing some beautiful life experience about the nail industry so all of us can relate to everything that we are going through. The first thing that I'm going to do with this design is I have to polish the client's fingernails perfectly. So this green right here is a beautiful green. And the way I polish is I like to start from the top of the fingernails and work my way close to the cuticles. Some nail tech, you will see, they will start from the cuticle and all the way down. However you want to do it makes you comfortable. But I like to start wherever that makes me feel comfortable. And the best part about gel polish is that it doesn't dry until you put it under the light. So you can have as many strokes as you want compared to regular polish. When you are doing regular polish, you have to do 3 strokes. That's what they teach you in school, okay? Maximum is 4 because it tends to dry very fast the moment it hits the air. But what I'm going to do with gel polish is I'm going to take my time. I'm going to make sure I get a beautiful stroke, especially if you guys are doing pastel colors. Some of the pastel colors, you don't want to pick up a lot of polish. You got to pick up very little polish just to not get that nice streak lines. You don't want that streak line, okay? So that's what you're going to do. Once you get a perfect rounding, let's go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds or 90 seconds. So what you're going to do next is continue polishing on the next fingers. As a nail technician, we have to be really good at polishing. If you are not good at polishing, take some time to practice. Master polishing, because polishing is the fundamental of adding designs on top of what you're going to do with the nails. And as a nail tech, designs are very important nowadays, and we're going to talk about that later in this videos. But polishing, you got to master it. Because back in the day when I was owning a shop, I hired this one stylist. I don't even know if I should call her stylist, because she kind of fucked me up in the business, and I tell you why. So she came in asking for a job. Damn, she talks a lot. She was yapping her mouth more than I was asking her questions. But me as a new owner, I always believe in giving people opportunities. And trust me, you don't want to give people opportunities sometimes. You learn a hard lesson that way. So what I did is I hired her. I started giving her manicure, pedicure. Some of my closest clients, I gave it to her. I noticed they don't like it. They don't come back. They don't tell me. They just walk out with an ugly face. And finally I realized that girl talks too damn much. She was talking so much during her service. Client was having a headache trying to listen to her and trying to follow her through. Client was missing church. Client was missing dinner. Husband was calling the client's phone wondering where the fuck she at. Why is she taking so long? On top of that, this girl cannot polish, okay? She cannot polish, y'all. I try to teach her. I try to have other stylists teach her. She cannot polish. One time I was doing a pedicure next to her. After the pedicure, I thought everything was going to turn out good. She spent 1 hour polishing the client's toenail, and she messed up a couple toes. She didn't take them off correctly. She tried to polish it over to make it thicker. It was a hot mess, and I ended up trying to fix it. And while I was fixing it, everything was all said and done. I look at her, I say, girl, what's wrong? You don't see that? Are you blind or something? She got mad. She went home. And then I got a text from her husband. Her husband say, I heard the way you talked to my wife. You told her that she was blind. I say, what? I never tell her that she was blind. I asked her if she was blind. She didn't give me an answer. If I told her that she was blind, I knew she was blind, and I would assume she was blind, but she's not, because she never gave me an answer. So on top of that, the next day she didn't show up to work. Her husband called me and text me, say, you got her stressed out. So she burned herself while she was cooking. So she went to the hospital. 5 days later, y'all, she got unemployment for disability, y'all. You see what I'm saying? Trying to help people out and you learn it the hard way, y'all. Sorry that I'm getting emotional when I'm sharing you this story, but that's how I need y'all to really polish, okay? I need y'all to really good at polish. So here I am. I'm about to add the blooming gel, okay? I got second coat of polish on. So when it comes to the blooming gel, y'all, here's the thing about the blooming gel. This blooming gel blooms, okay? The moment you put a new polish, any color on there, you're gonna see the color start like fading away. That's what they call blooming gel. You can do a lot of design with the blooming gel, but you gotta be quick with your hands. So what you can do is you can do one finger at a time and cure it if you're fast. If you like the way it looks, you don't want that polish to smear any farther, you cure it. Me, I went ahead and took it every single finger before I cure it. Okay, I was trying to do a marble effect. It's pretty cool because when you put the black polish on this green, it looks awesome, man. I mean, honestly, the videos and the photos cannot even like explain the reality of how this set looks, y'all. But if y'all have a problem doing marble effect, try this. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look fabulous. You know, take your time doing it. And I tell you what, when it comes to doing nails, y'all gotta be comfortable doing designs. Okay? Now that you got the polishing down, you gotta know how to do the design. Where I am working at, y'all, I am the only one that does the design because I rent a station out there. But all the people around me, they are the OG nail school. And when I say OG, because there's two type of nail tech nowadays. We got the OG and we got the new G, okay? The OG is where they just get you in, get you out, and they would, you know, talking their language in front of you. That's the OG. The new G, they bougie, you know. They pick and choose what clients they want to do, what service they want to do and all that. That's the new G, you know what I mean? And in the nail industry right now, the OG, they struggling because they are not figuring out how to get all this design on the client's nails. You know what I mean? They are struggling with that. That's why a lot of them stick to the pedicure. That's why you see a lot of nail technicians, especially the older one, they do a lot of pedicure because they cannot keep up with the new design. And we got the new G where they know how to do every single damn design out there. They on top of their game. They know everything, but they pick and choose what service they want to do, what clients they want to do because they bougie as fuck. That's all I got to say about the old school and the new school, okay? But either way, as a nail technician, I recommend you to really know how to do the design because design is money, honey, okay? Design of the nail is money, honey. You hear me? Money, honey. Say that with me. Money, honey, because design is taking to another level where you're going to increase your pay. Because if you do a solid set of nails, okay, if you do a solid set of nails and then you charge around $50, the moment the client asks for all this bougie ass design, that $50 can go up to 90 to 100, y'all. Design takes time. That's all I got to say. Design takes time, okay? You tell the client, okay? You know, you gotta take your time if you want the design to look right. Because people thinking design is cheap because when they look from us nail tech doing it, it looks easy. But they don't realize that we practice day in and day out about this design for a long time. You know what I mean? So that's the thing about designs, y'all. When y'all make things look easy, people think it should be cheap. But they don't realize we practice day in and day out. So you gotta be good at design. But before I move on to me being more emotional about my experience, when you put the gold foil on here, okay, you got two options. If your polish is still sticky, the foil will go on all right. But if it's not, you can buy the foil gel and you place it wherever you're gonna put the foil. you cure for 30 seconds, and now you go in with the foil. And the thing about the foil is that if you want to make the foil like a drizzle, like a bunch of little tiny gold, you get that metal stick that I'm using to pick up the foil. You just kind of scrub it, like just kind of scratch it around it. It looks really nice. But don't scratch it too hard because you might ruin the paint. You know what I mean? But I'm telling y'all, this design right here, this gold looks so fire. It's so easy to do. Like, honestly, when the clients tell me like, oh, I want gold flake, I love it because it's fun, it's easy, and look how clean it's looking right now, y'all. Like, do that for your clients. You know what I mean? They're gonna love you for it. I have fun doing this, y'all. You know, but I want y'all nail tech to really start thinking about design if you are not doing comfortable design right now, okay? Like, get used to working outside your comfort zone, y'all. You know what I mean? I see a lot of nail tech out there getting too comfortable, and y'all just trying to do the easy stuff, which is fine too. You know, you do whatever you gotta do. You know, you are your own boss as a nail tech. But if you really want to make the dough, okay, you got to start doing the design, y'all. That's all I gotta say. Because the design is where the money's at, okay? The design is where you're gonna go home, you be like, damn, I did a set for $100. Yeah. I did another set for $100. Yeah. I did another set for $100. Yeah. And next thing you know, you're going home with $400. Yeah, because you got tips. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say, y'all. You know what I mean? Like, y'all got to feel what I'm saying. But let me tell y'all something, though. The reason why I'm telling y'all this now, because I was afraid to do design, y'all. For real, for real. I was afraid to do design, y'all. Because I was a chicken shit. I just want to do the easy stuff. I was relaxing. I was turning it up. You know what I mean? I didn't want to do nothing. I just want to get you in and get you out. Because I didn't care for this job, y'all. I didn't care about this job. Because at one point in my career, I told y'all, if y'all listen to me long enough, people diss me for doing this job, y'all. So it makes me hate this job. Until I hit my 30s. Until I realized that I reached my corporate management job. And I'm not even happy. But I'm more happy being a nail tech. Is because I appreciate the art. Because I didn't realize that I'm such an artist. I didn't realize how creative I am. You know what I mean? I didn't realize none of that. But the problem is that you don't realize this stuff until you give yourself a chance to do it. That is the thing about being a nail technician, y'all. As a nail technician, you're going to be facing a lot of challenges in your career. In terms of your craft, in terms of your clientele, in terms of working people around you, there's all kind of obstacles. Okay? Even though your family member, your friends, they be talking shit too because you're doing nails and you're not having that corporate job. You know what I mean? People gonna talk shit. But I'll be honest, you don't let that shit talking gets into you. You know? It got into me. And it took me 15, 20 years to finally realize that I enjoy what I do. And I enjoy sharing my information with y'all. That's why I do what I do. You know what I mean? Because that's real, y'all. Because that business right here, even to today, I'm happy seeing a lot of nail tech out there doing nails. But I know the struggle is hard because the money's inconsistent. That's why you gotta be doing designs, y'all. Okay? You gotta be these stuff is easy, man. Adding the gold flake is super easy. Using blooming gel to make marbles, super easy. Okay? I shown y'all so many videos of how to do this stuff. The reason why I don't explain how to shape, how to do application is because I have shown y'all that. Y'all should get it by now. If y'all haven't get it, go back and watch some of my videos. It's going to entertain you, but it's going to teach you something. Because everything I do, even if I am funny in my videos, even if I'm sharing you stories and experience, is a lesson, is a learning experience that you can take from me. Because I only keep it real with y'all. Never lie to y'all one bit. Because I love this industry, y'all, and I want y'all to do well. I struggle too, y'all. Like this week, I'm not that busy, you know. And not busy to me is like I'm making only around 900 this week, you know, or 1,000 this week. Usually I make around like 1,500 a week. You know what I mean? And I only work 4 days a week. But that is something that we have to work hard. So after I put this, you know, the gold flakes on, it's looking clean, right? I'm going to go in with 2 coats of gel. If you put the gold flakes on top of the regular polish, going with the 2 coats of gel top coat so that it creates a nice smooth surface and you just cure it, y'all. That's how simple it is. And what y'all think, man? Let me know in the video. Let me know in the comment what y'all think about, you know, this design. Is easy or is it hard? Let me know how y'all feel about my content. Like, please, you know, share with me your feedback. You know, I love reading everything and I try to, you know, respond to all of y'all feedback. You know what I mean? But I hope you enjoy this tutorial though. You know, go out, you know, do some design, work out your comfort zone, and always, you know, just make sure that you're growing every single day. You know, find a way to establish your career, find a way to establish your craft, and then find a way to develop your own product. There's so many things that you can do out there. You know what I mean? But this set is looking fire. And when you guys are finishing up the stilettos, just make sure you guys go back with the files and make sure you guys edging it up with the tips. You know what I mean? Making it a little bit more sharper than it is. You know what I mean? Because the clients that wants that stiletto sharp, you know, they are nasty. You know what they be doing with that stiletto nice and sharp, you know what I mean? We're going to add that oil in real quick. Ooh. And you know what they say about little oil goes a long way. And this set right here, I charge the client $110. And that's because this set is a stiletto set with color acrylic as the base. And we're going to go in with the 2 coat gel polish with some marble and the gold flake. It takes time, y'all. And let me tell y'all this. When you guys are doing a design, make sure you pump out that chest and let them know the price of the design. Because design takes time. Because when it comes to design, it's not them paying for the product, but they are paying for the process. And the process will cost them because those process takes you years and months of practice just to do that process. That's why don't be afraid to charge people what you charge for a design. Design costs money, okay? So that is the process, is not the product. And that is how the nail comes out to look like, y'all. Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. Make sure to like this video and please share this video to somebody and comment in this video and let me know what y'all think. And I hope you are well in the industry. Thank you so much.